How to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the USB device not recognized in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your control panel. Once you open up your control panel, you can go with the category which is on the upper right and then choose the large icons. Once you choose the large icons, you need to go with the power options. So search for the power options. Once you find the power options, you need to click on it and then go with change when the computer stops and go with change advanced power settings. And under that, you'll get this kind of tab. So under this tab, you need to go with the bottom and then go with USB settings. Simply click on the left side and then go with USB selective suspend settings. And under that, you need to go and enable that. Double click on it, and then if it is disabled, then you just need to simply go and enable that option. Once you enable, you need to go with apply and then OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you just need to simply go with your file explorer and go with this PC and go with local disk C, and you need to open the Windows. So simply choose Windows. Under Windows, you need to search for INF. Once you have the INF, you need to double click on it and open that. And here go with search under the INF, and then you need to search for WPDMT. And once you've searched here, you will get the search results. You just need to simply go with the second search, right click on it, and then go with install. Once you go with install, the operation will be completed successfully, and you just need to simply go with OK. And after that, you need to restart your device. And after restarting, your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem again, then go with the next solution, which is go with the search, and under search, you need to search for partition and then go with create and format hard disk partitions. And under that, here it will take you to the disk management. So under the disk management, now select the USB drive and change the drive letter. You just need to simply select the drive and right click on it, and then you will have changed drive letter and path. So you just need to simply go to that and then go with an option of assign the following drive letter, and you need to change that path and go with OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go with device manager. Open up your device manager and then go with the last option, which is universal serial bus devices or the bus controllers. You just need to simply go with controllers and choose the standard option. If you have the standard option, you just need to simply choose it, or you can simply choose the problematic device. Right click on it and then go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers. Or you can also go with browse my computer for drivers. And then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then choose model and then go with next, and your update will be done. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last thing or the last method is open up your device manager. Once you open up your device manager, now you need to go with the bus controllers, and then you just need to simply choose a problematic device, right click on it and go with uninstall device. Once you uninstall the device, you need to go back and restart your device, and after restarting, the drivers or the device will automatically be installed on your laptop or your computer by the device itself. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.